This app called Shut Eye shows you everything you do in your sleep, so I downloaded it out of curiosity, and here's my results. I slept for a total of 5 hours and 25 minutes. It took me 1.5 hours to fall asleep. I was in deep sleep for only 2 hours and 43 minutes, talked twice, coughed once, and made noise 14 times. I mean, this app catches every single thing you do. It can even pick up on sleep apnea, night terrors, Parkinson's disease, and even cardiac arrhythmia. See how well you sleep by downloading Shut Eye for free.